Ka North Eastern Police Academy nen kesengi kala penlong ya ka passing out parade na kabenta ka wat ka basan puar jong ka jing Hikai ya ki lai spa nyo punyongot ki Pulit officer ki bakintop ya prapu arngot ki Deputy Superintendent of Police but arspa kandai pusan ki sub inspector ki bana ka jala Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Tripura bat Nagaland. Umentri rangba ka jala Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ulalong ukongsan. Haba ay jengkran ha ketika jengelang Sarma ula ay kublai ki officer ka jengsham kia jong kanepa na kabentaban ay jeng Hikai kita ki officer kenang bakin la ha kaban ay ka jeng syakri yakari baro kowe.
The Northeastern Police Academy has a glorious legacy. Established in 1978 on the recommendation of the National Committee on Police Training, headed by Dr. M.S. Gore, this prestigious institute since then has been creating to the police training requirement of the northeastern state. The academy is mandated to impart basic training to the directly recruited Deputy Superintendent of Police and sub-inspectors of the northeastern state. It is indeed commendable that NEPA has trained more than 5,000 trainees on the basic course so far.
Ka Menteri Cabinet ikong Amperi Mundo ilak